Harambee rocked the city of Tallahassee February 25th.
I'm John Daly, I'm the proud mayor of the great city of Tallahassee, and it is a beautiful day to be out and about at the Adderley Amphitheater in Cascades Park. Look, it's the Harambee Festival. This is a great opportunity for us to come together during Black History Month to celebrate African American culture and history. It's what makes Tallahassee so wonderful.
The Harambee Festival is an extraordinary event that takes place in celebration of Black History Month. Harambee in Swahili means let's pull together. Vernon Bryant, the festival coordinator.
This year the experience was just outstanding, from the weather on down to the last person selling the last item of food items. So it was great. We had a little over 6,000 people come throughout the park from between that 11 a.m. hour to 7 p.m. So it was great. The Harambee Festival showcases what the university has to offer with our colleges and schools, and gives us an opportunity to engage the community as to what the university has to offer. It's part of the plan to, engage our student body with the community, to let the community know what we have to offer.
The number of participants and supporters continue to grow, with over 50 vendors this year. Just take a look at all of the wonderful things they brought to this celebration. For-profit and nonprofit businesses across the state say the event is also a way to give back to the community.
In Tallahassee today, we're feeding 1,200 people. The Project GOO, we have a feeding program, so we feed about 5,000 people every year around Thanksgiving. So we're working on expanding that to do it in 10 cities, to feed 100,000 people a year, every year for the next 10 years to make a meal.
Always kudos to FAMU for sponsoring this. And don't tell any other universities, but FAMU and FAMU's students are the best hosts of any of the universities I've attended.
We want to just thank everybody for coming out to this year's Harambee Festival, from our top sponsors to all our vendors and colleges and schools, and participating in this year's festival. It was a phenomenal event. We had a smorgasbord of activities going out there for family at all, and just remember that the rattlers would strike and strike and strike again.
Thanks so much for watching FAMU Shorts. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. For Florida A&M University, I'm Giovanni Hampton.